Hi everyone, I am Fatih Baysan, a traveler from Turkey. I just spent an incredible 1 month exploring the beauty and the magic of Thailand. From the vibrant chaos of Bangkok to the relaxed charm of Krabi, the rich culture of Chiang Mai and the serene beauty of Chiang Rai, the party vibes of Phuket and the crystal clear waters of the Phi Phi Islands. This journey was a really dream coming true. And the best part is, I experienced it all on a budget. I'll show you how to enjoy delicious street food, explore hidden gems, and get the best experience of Thailand without overspending. In addition, as someone who loves capturing unique views with the drones, I'll share everything you need to know about drone regulations and the stunning spots where you can get those perfect shots. So, if you are ready for travel tips, budget-friendly hacks, and incredible views, join me on this amazing adventure. And now, let's dive into the lands of smiles together. Before starting, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. After subscribing, make sure to turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my new videos. I would love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below.
Okay, let's start our Phi Phi Island trip. Let's go.
There are so many of those animals in here. Phi Phi Island. You may want to be careful about that.
Okay, now we are going for the first thing in Phi Phi done. What we're gonna do is see the viewpoint in here. We climbed a little bit and it was just 15 minutes from our hotel. It looks good so far. Let's reach to the top. There is 1, 2, and 3 viewpoints. Now we are starting with the first one.
Giderek yükseliyor ya.
It's really hard to reach to the first viewpoint. Everyone is so tired here. Like literally everyone. It's really hard to climb up there, but it's so good view, that's why everyone is here. Everyone is so tired, but still they don't give up and come here. Okay, don't forget to bring cash with you because there's an entrance fee inside. It's like 25 bahts. Yeah, that's the viewpoint. Let's fly our first drone in Phi Phi Don. can come. You can come. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's GoPro.
DJI, same as GoPro, same quality, but it's the... Okay, so it was first viewpoint. Now we are heading to the second viewpoint. It says 300 meters. We should be fine. We rest here a little bit, then going for the second one. It's so far the best place I have seen in whole Thailand, and it's been 5 nights. We stay here in Phuket, then it was our first day in Phi Phi Island, and it's literally the best place I've been so far. It's really good. In my opinion, I believe 20% of the people who tries to climb here will fail because it's so hard. It's you have to climb so hard, and it's really hard. First you go to viewpoint 1, then you have to climb more than that to get to the viewpoint 2nd. And yeah, I guess many people will fail, or they can at least reach the first one. Yeah, I can see the viewpoint 2nd now. Look, all the picture are taking picture there. Okay, so we made it to the viewpoint 2nd, and this is what you have. This is so magical and fascinating place. We spent here around 2 hours, and we were like in heaven, I guess. It's like a paradise. It's so good. You must definitely come here, guys. So they have cafes, some cafes in the viewpoints. If you want, you can come here and drink your tea, drink your cold juices, cold water, and enjoy the view. The big sizes are around 60, 50, 90, but the small ones are so cheap. We bought one totally 32 baht, which is like not even $1, and we'll be eating those. Okay, we got our foods in the 7-Eleven. Here is the noodle, and we are starting to eat that in here. Phi Phi Island, center of the Phi Phi Island.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
Okay, now we ate our foods from 7-Eleven. Now heading to the Slinky Bar. It's in the beach, and we heard in the Phi Phi Island, in the nights there's always a good parties in the beaches and good fire shows. Let's discover that. Uh, 100 baht to the only one slice, not the whole pizza. So many tattoo places, so many tattoo shops. And that's the Slinky Bar, they say. Let's see what's that bar.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a heat wave rolling.
I have watched so many videos about the fire show in Phi Phi Island, in the Slinky Bar and the Freedom Bar. Witnessing in real life in person was an amazing experience. I mean, it's so hard to not adore these people, Thai people. They are so talented, they are so athletic. When we come here, we saw some guys playing beach volleyball with their foot, and I mean, you must just watch them, man. Their athleticism and their strength is something else. They are so good. Good job, guys. Slinky Bar and the Freedom Bar is in the center of the Phi Phi Island. When you go down from the viewpoints, it's just right there. It's so center. When you get down from the viewpoint one, you just have to walk 5 minutes and you are in the beach and you witness all of these fire shows. It's so good. As we can see, prices are almost the same as Phuket, maybe even cheaper in Phi Phi Island. That's so good.